What's up YouTube? Dougie Chong here. Welcome to today's episode where I have a very good stock to review. That's right, the stock that I'm reviewing today is the Very Good Food Company. For those of you that do not know the company Very Good Butchers, they make plant-based meat alternative products similar to a company like Beyond Meat. In this video, I will give a brief overview of the company. I will go over why I think the company will succeed, and then I'll go over whether I think the stock is a buy right now. So the company itself was founded in the year 2016 by James Davidson and Tanya Frieson. The company was founded in Victoria, BC. That's right, this company is a Canadian stock. A lot of my subscribers have been asking for Canadian stocks, so here's one for you guys. And on that note, if you haven't already, please remember to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Alright, so the Very Good Food Company opened their first butcher shop in Victoria. I don't really like how it sounds that it's a butcher shop because it's a vegan-based product, so no butchering really takes place, but that's what they came up with. Also, it's marketed as the first vegan butcher shop in Western Canada. Not exactly sure what the first Eastern Canada one is, but they're the first Western Canada butcher shop. So here I'll show one of their products. It's called the Very British Banger. I must say that their marketing team did a great job. The packaging has that old-timey feel with the cursive font resembling a simpler time. Of course, the way these foods are prepared is anything but simple, but I think it does a great job of reaching the target audience of people that care about the environment. The website states that these sausages will stay good in the fridge for up to 4 weeks and even longer in the freezer, which I would say is better than most traditional meats. Here I'll show the nutrition information of one sausage. I'm no nutrition expert, but I did read that Very Good Butchers meats were slightly healthier than things such as Beyond Meats, which was a huge bonus. I think the main complaint people have with Beyond Meats is that the sodium content is a little bit too high. I have not personally tried a Very Good food product, but I have tried the Beyond Burger from A&W, and while it doesn't taste exactly like meat, it's not far from a meat-tasting burger or a meat-like burger. It's much better than the veggie-based burgers of the past that were historically very bad tasting. Alright, now on to why I think this company will succeed. If you look at any company there is, it doesn't matter how great the product is if there is no demand for it. Let's say 50 years ago, someone invented the cell phone, right? This amazing device that could communicate with other devices. If no one wanted it, everyone still wanted to write with pen and paper, then the product wouldn't take off and the company would not succeed. But vegan food products have plenty of demand, and the situation will only get better as time moves on. Besides the ethical debate on whether killing animals for food is right or wrong, there have been numerous studies that show how killing animals is really bad for the environment as a whole. It takes a lot of greenhouse gases to kind of feed the animals, prepare them up, and then ultimately have them killed and eaten. In my experience, there will always be those people that think meat tastes substantially better than any other product out there. Others will say that killing animals is just part of the food chain, kind of like how wolves kill sheep, and that's just part of the food chain and why we were created as omnivores. But overall, the trend towards veganism is going up, as evidenced by huge investments in companies such as Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods. So what sets the company Very Good Butchers apart from these juggernauts such as Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods? Well, Beyond Meats goes for the lowest price target possible, and they target things such as fast food because fast food options for vegans have historically been pretty bad. But the Very Good Food Butchers target a slightly more upscale customer, those who are willing to spend a little bit more for a slightly better quality product. This is very important because a large demographic of people that care about what they eat will want a healthier option. Now, there's also room for Beyond Meats to grow because you want a balance. You want to be able to have a higher option and a lower price option. Being vegan is not cheap. They also sell a subscription meat service, and if you know anything about business, you know that everyone wants recurring revenue business models. So to summarize, I think the company will succeed due to the upwards trend of vegan eating, the different demographic as opposed to Beyond Meats, and just the general good reviews that the company has. Alright, now on to some of the numbers. Can this company really survive, especially through a pandemic? In just the past day, it went up close to 5% and closed at $3.30. If we zoom out to 6 months, it's just over 4 times its IPO price in June of around 71 cents. That's a massive amount of growth in a very short period of time, and typically I would stay away from a stock that was rising so rapidly. Furthermore, its market cap is only $280 million, so it is a very small cap company, and the stock can rise or fall rapidly with big investors coming in and out of the stock. It is listed on the CNSX, which is the Canadian Stock Exchange. I did not even know what that was, but apparently it is a rival to the Toronto Stock Exchange, where most Canadian stocks are held and traded. So is the Very Good stock a buy in my opinion? Well, I first started tracking this stock back when it was about $2.70. Since then it's shot up quite a lot. If it does start to come down around or lower than that $3 region again, I will consider starting a small position. But right now it is just too high for me. I may miss out on this opportunity, but I'm okay with that. It's not like a software company that's gonna have ridiculously high margins, and copycat companies are sure to follow. But that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think about this stock in the comments below. As a bonus tip, I will mention that I did buy exactly 1 share of Amazon stock a little over $3,000. I posted a screenshot of the transaction in my Discord chat, and I'll leave a link to that chat in the description below. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Leave a like if this video helped you at all. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Enjoy the rest of your day and see you in the next video.